for the 4th of July. My husband's gonna put them on the pit, so I'm getting ready to get them seasoned up so that he can go ahead and get them put on the pit. So I'm gonna show everybody my seasonings first. So we're gonna do garlic powder, garlic salt. I'm gonna do a little bit of Creole seasoning, kosher salt, Mesquite seasoning, and I'm also gonna do a little bit of teriyaki sauce. And then I have some smoked paprika, onion powder, Montreal steak seasoning. I use this on pretty much everything. Coarse ground black pepper, and a little bit of meat tenderizer. Okay, so first I'm gonna line my pan with foil because he wants the ribs put in foil. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay that down now so that when I season them, they'll already be ready to wrap. Okay, everybody, here are our ribs. So we have pork ribs. Last night I put mustard and a little bit of teriyaki sauce on them just so they can marinate in there a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit more teriyaki. And this is a thicker teriyaki, so I'm gonna brush it in. I just want to add a little bit on these. All right, so we're gonna start with our coarse kosher salt. Our ground black pepper. Do a little of the meat tenderizer. And I just put the meat tenderizer on lightly. Montreal steak. Onion powder. Smoked paprika. Our Mesquite seasoning. Little of the garlic salt. And garlic powder. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of my Creole seasoning as well. All right, so that was the back side of our ribs. Now we're gonna turn them over and do the front side as well. Okay, everybody, so here's our teriyaki on the front side. I'm just gonna brush that in like I did the other side. And then we're gonna do our seasonings. So again, we have our kosher salt. Our ground black pepper. And you can do the ground black pepper as heavy as you want to. That makes a good rub for them anyway. Do a little bit of the meat tenderizer. Our Montreal steak. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Mesquite seasoning. Smoked paprika. And you don't have to do these in any particular order. However you want to do it. Garlic salt. And a little bit of the Creole. And if you have a little brown sugar at home, you can do that as well, right before you wrap them up and close the foil. All right, so now that they're all seasoned up, I'm just gonna wrap them in this foil so that he can take them out to the pit. And if you're not using heavy duty foil, you might want to double wrap them to make sure that it's strong enough.